YouTube, and welcome to the continuation of the tutorials on the pen tool. I'm just going to sort of carry on where we left off pretty much. I will mention one thing that I kind of brushed over last time. I missed the option there, but when you have the pen tool selected down here, it does give you the option. You can either use the pen tool there, which is the sort of gives you when you can go from point to point basically, or you can use the freeform pen tool. I've never used this, to be honest, but what it does is, as you can see, I've selected the freeform pen tool. I'm just holding the left mouse button down, and then you can draw a chicken bone, red chicken wing. Yeah. So I just thought I'd mention that because I'm just pressing Control Alt Z, sorry, to remove that. As I brushed over it last time, I just thought I'd mention because I went through the options and missed it. So we're going to go back to just the normal pen tool using there, and we're going to go on. Before we use the new shape layer, then we use the add to shape layer, I think add to shape area, and now we're going to use subtract from shape area. I imagine from that one, this one's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just going to draw a quick shape out and close it off, and then you can see we have the options available again. Like to learn from my mistakes in the previous tutorial and not getting that on the canvas. So we're going to select the subtract from shape area tool option, and then you'll see we start to draw some points out. I'm pressing the shift key by the way, just to get these straight lines, just in case you weren't aware of that. And you can see I'm going to press the V key on the keyboard, and you can see that it's actually subtracted the colour. It's still on the shape layer there. These lines are nothing to be concerned about. You'll notice, look, when I click off the actual layer, what it's done is bitten a chunk out of the shape, which is what we wanted. And we click back, and the lines stay gone. I'm going to select the pen tool again and just show you that again. Oh, actually, perhaps not. I'll draw another shape out this time then. I wasn't actually aware of that. You have to it's only sort of for the let me just see, sorry guys. I'm just pressing Control Alt Z again to remove that, and then let me just go selecting that and select the shape again, and just if I'm pressing Control on the icon there and selecting it, and no, still I was just going to see if it gave me the option back there, but it's not. So yeah, and then Control D to deselect that and draw a new shape out and close it off, and we're going to select the subtract from shape area again. So if you have like a navigation bar or something like that, and you want to take a shape out of it, you know, like a little create some sort of funky shape. I'm holding shift there without realizing, but and then close it off, and then you can see that it's removed like a little bit of a rounded edge there. And as we had the new shape layer there, or the shape layer, it's created a new shape, so they're on separate layers, and you can see that's moving independently from this shape on the canvas as well. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Very short and brief and sweet, hopefully. What I would say, or like to say, is the reason why I'm creating these tutorials, or having time to create them, is because I've actually taken it the next step for my web development career, and I've started full-time self-employment. So hopefully, if anybody's got any suggestions for promoting myself, or you'd like to help or get involved in any way, hopefully I'd like to think I was quite a cool guy, and you know, I'm open to suggestions and projects and things like that. If you want any specific tutorials creating, or if you want a website as well, I was going to mention I'm currently looking for projects, small projects to work on regards to web development, web design, sorry. I'm happy to work on them for a very minimum fee, or even free, depending on what the you know, what work's entailed on there. So please get in touch and